people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so, and if you have subscribed, I want to thank you very much, and keep following for more videos. Now today guys, I want to give you a good video of this photocell. Now come near, I show you. Now guys, one of you went to the comment section and said there is a video I did of this photocell, and one of the contactor, I did a photocell. I did a video of a contactor and this float switch. I did a video of this contactor and this float switch. Now the video I did, I was showcasing of how float switch works. Now one of you went to the comment section and said and asked I show them how float switch works. Now I will start explaining. That's why I've got this one gang. You can see a one gang has got 3 terminals. One gang, two-way, one gang, two-way switch. One gang, I mean this one is a one gang, two-way switch. Also, now I want you to get me very clearly, because this is because of you guys. I told you this channel is yours. As you can see, this float switch and this one gang, they do one work. Okay, they do one work. Now a one gang, as I can explain, has got 3 wires. You see, three cables. The first cable, this color is black, and this color, men are colorblind. This one is brown, and this one is blue. As you can see, the blue wire, I mean cable, the brown one, the black one. Now as this switch has got the common, or L, you can see it is marked here, common or L, live cable or common wire. You can see this terminal here, L1, L2. Now this L1 is normally open. L1 is normally open and L2 is normally closed. Same this float switch, it comes also to this float switch. The black cable is the live or common. Get me very clearly, please. And this brown wire, this one here, this brown wire is normally open, and this blue one is normally closed. You see, this switch is the same as this one. Now the difference here, this float switch works on motors, and also on pumping water, using contactors, using anything. Now let me not go to the contactors, let me demonstrate. That's why I've got this bulb. I want to show you this bulb and this switch. I will show you how this switch works, how this switch lights this bulb, and also I will show you how this float switch lights this bulb. Now let us start. You follow me, guys. Now for now, let me start with this one gang. Now let me start with this one gang. Let me take the common, the live wire. Guys, you see me clearly. Let me put this. Now you see our live is neutral wire. This is common live wire. It has come, it has given this MCB is 16 amperes. Now guys, for safety purposes, it has come. I want to give this, let me coil this wire so that you can see clearly. I want you guys to understand. That's why I'm doing this video for you, You see, the live wire goes to this common. I want to show you this switch is the same as the float switch one. Okay, you see guys, the common wire. Now I will take another wire, the live one. I will wire it to this L1, this L1, okay, this L1. Now guys, you see my common wire has passed through this MCB, has come to this switch. I have connected it to this L1 or common, and it has come to L1. It has given our bulb. Now the neutral one comes direct. That's how we wire. That's how simple our wiring is done. That's how simple wiring is done. Let me show you. I think you have seen, guys, this L2 we have just left it like that. So I want to show you how this thing, this one and this one, they are the same. Now let us go. When it is like this, it is off. Now let us open. I think also this one is on. Now let us slide. So let me see if there is power, guys. Yes, there it is. Yes, there it is. Yes. Yeah. Now guys, as you can see, our bulb was not okay. Now as I told you, you see this switch is the same as this. The reason why I'm doing this is to show you this float switch is the same as this, but the difference and the working condition are different. Now let us see. Let us put this this one on. This one on. You see? On, off, on, off. You see? Now let us go to this one. I think you have seen the main ones comes direct. The neutral has come direct to the bulb, and the live wire has come to this MCB. It has passed. Now this one is a switch. The difference, let me show you. A switch works this way, guys. Let me show you. You don't have to bring, you see, that's how a switch works, eh? That's how a switch works. That's how a switch works. Yes, now guys, you have seen. I think you have seen. Now, let me put off. Now let us go to this one. I told you that the black wire on a float switch is the common one, okay? Now, let me give this common. Let me give this common power. Okay, float switch. Now because we have no business with this blue wire, let me cover it. You see, it's the same as this one. When we did this one, gang, we did not use this L2. Now it's the same as this blue wire, but I will show you how this blue wire does its job. Okay, all right, now let us start. Now let me show you. You see now, you see this switch, when it is like this, it has turned the bulb off. When I take it up, it is on, down, off, on, off, on. But now this float switch, it works on the tanks. Maybe when I have connected it like this, the tank, your tank may be down, the downer tank, when the water is empty, water is full. Now let me show you the work of this. Let me show you. This thing is the switch. Now this float switch, it works on different purposes. Let me show you guys. I think you are following me clearly. Now you see, empty water, empty water, empty. When the tank is empty, this switch will automatically put your motor. You see now the difference. This works on motors, on tanks. The tank is full. When the float switch is like this, it means your water in the tank is full. Now it turns your motor off. Water is empty. I think guys, you have seen that video I did with the float switch. Now I'm doing this because some of you asked me several questions, but the only way I can answer them is to do the videos. Now you see guys, you see these wires normally open, normally close, normally open. Now I think you have seen that's how a float switch works. And also, if I've not used this, now guys, you have seen this switch is the same as that. You see, now up to there guys, I think I have come to an end. And also, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not understood the video, you can DM on the comment section. You can ask the questions. I can also repeat for your sake. Now this channel guys, remember, it is for educational purposes, for you to understand videos, for you to understand the wiring, for you to do yourself also, if you follow clearly. Now I want to thank you if you have followed up to this time. Now the only thing I can beg you to do is to subscribe for this channel. You can subscribe, you can support us guys, support us by subscribing. Also you can share to your friends so that they can subscribe. Now thank you guys, thank you.